This video introduces how to configure virtual cluster switching on RG-NBS series switches through Ruijie Cloud Pro. When RG-NBS series switches are used as core switches, VCS allows two switches to be stacked to improve data forwarding reliability. When the active switch is faulty, traffic can be automatically switched to the standby switch, ensuring uninterrupted data forwarding. When configuring VCS, pay attention to the following points. Only NBS 5100, NBS 5200, NBS 5300, NBS 6000, and NBS 7000 series switches support VCS. VCS can be configured only on two switches, which must be from the same series. For example, an NBS 7003 switch supports VCS only with another NBS 7003 switch, not with an NBS 6002 switch. VCS can also be configured on two switches of different models within the same series, such as an NBS 520024GT4XS switch and an NBS 520048GT4XS switch. Enter the username and password to log into Ruijie Cloud. Click Switch Cloud Platform, select Ruijie Cloud Pro, and click OK. The system is switched to Ruijie Cloud Pro. The VCS link ports on the two switches are connected via an optical cable. Note, a VCS link port must be a 10GE optical port. The switches for VCS configuration have been connected to Ruijie Cloud and are running properly. Click the project, to which the devices belong, to go to the project details page. Choose Network Devices. In the device list section, check the device status. If a green dot icon is displayed next to a device, it is operating properly. The devices must run the latest firmware versions. In the device list section, check the firmware version column. If latest is displayed next to a version for a device, it is running the latest version. Otherwise, click Upgrade to upgrade the device. Choose Configuration the device config switch to VCS to go to the configuration page. In the VCS link settings section, select the VCS link ports on the two devices. Optional if multiple VCS link ports are selected on each switch, use an optical cable to connect other ports on the two switches. After the cables are connected, the active and standby device indicators can be seen in the VCS link settings section, indicating the two switches operate as a single logical switch. Connect the dual active detection ports on two devices using an Ethernet cable to prevent a dual active failure on a network. In the double-click detection settings section, select the DAD ports on the active and standby switches and click Save. Connect the DAD ports on the two devices using an Ethernet cable. After the cable is connected, the ports are displayed in green, indicating that the DAD ports are configured successfully. When the active device fails, the system automatically switches traffic to the standby device to ensure network continuity and stability. Perform an active standby switchover manually as required. In the Force Active Standby Switchover section, click Perform Switchover. The active switch restarts and the standby switch becomes the active switch. Thank you for watching. Scan the QR code on the left to provide feedback or share your suggestions about the video. Scan the QR code on the right to access product documentation on the Ruijie official website. Your support is the driving force for our progress. See you in the next video.